I'm sitting at the water line at our new homestead, which is about halfway back in the property. Don't worry though, I'm gonna bring you all the way back here with me and tell you the whole story. Stick around, don't go anywhere. Hey there, and welcome to the Iron Horse Homestead, everybody. I'm glad you could join us. This is either on the Iron Horse Model Railroad channel or the Iron Horse Homestead channel or Iron Horse Hobbies channel, just depends. But we did want to show everybody what we've been doing. This is the new homestead. All right, pink is where the house is gonna go. All right, we will have some neighbors over there, but the property is super long, and we're about to show you the exciting part. This is where the house will be. The part where we're gonna be shooting videos is back here, because the property is about 100 feet wide, 95 feet wide, but it's 500 feet long, and that 500 feet goes to the bayou, and that bayou goes to the river, and that river goes to the bay, and that bay goes to the gulf, and the gulf goes to the ocean. So we're going to be able to go anywhere from back here in a boat. But here is where we're going to be spending a lot of time this summer and for the next year or so, because the last 225 feet are wetlands. As you can see, we have water. It's coming off of high tide, and coming into high tide maybe. But we've had a lot of rain here lately, and it's inundated, and this is about as high as it ever gets. I came the other day, and it was all the way up to where these boards are right here. But that was a flood situation. The river was flooding. The property widens up back here and extends out back here. And we brought you in with us because we are here for the first time today with actual yard tools. See, it's 24 feet above sea level up there. That's the first 225 feet. Then the next 50 feet is this hill coming down to sea level. And then we got another 225 through this marsh marsh area, wetlands protected through these wetlands areas. And we have to build a walkway through here. We have a permit already, verbal approval to do several things, and the paperwork is being taken care of. And so starting right here and going for 200 feet, we will be building a walkway through this wetland area so we can get to the water, which is about an 85-foot wide bayou back there. And the 85-foot wide bayou back there, we've been approved to do a pier out about 14 or 16 feet. And so eventually down the road, a couple years from now, we'll do the pier out there. A couple years from now, that we'll be able to afford the boat, so we can start taking y'all fishing, and that's going to be a goal. We are considering starting a channel called Iron Horse Homestead. We already have a channel called Iron Horse Hobbies SMK that we don't use, and so we're thinking about just changing the channel name to Iron Horse Homestead, and we'll be uploading these videos all to do with that on that channel, and still be continuing our new model railroad stuff, because we'll be building all new model railroad stuff over here at the new house too. So we got all brand new model railroad stuff coming, because we're going to have a brand new house being built, and multi-scales around here we're going to be doing. And then we'll also be doing all this fishing and building and homestead stuff, and we'll be doing that probably on the other channel, so we don't get them all crossed up and confused and have half the people upset and half the people happy and all that stuff, if you see what I mean. So we'll be able to take you fishing, We'll be able to take you to the Gulf. We'll be able to take you to the islands. We'll be able to take you everywhere. And we're just gonna have to acquire the money to do it. The walkway is gonna be very expensive. We're gonna be taking y'all with that journey, through that journey with us to build the walkway through this area. And it is something else. Let me tell you, I have been back all the way through there. Low tide, we can get back there, and I'll take you through there at low tide here in a couple days once the floodwaters have receded. And so what we'll be doing is, unless y'all can get me enough money through all my views and stuff on YouTube, then I could just go ahead and buy the walkway and the pier and the boat, and we can start fishing right away. So if you want to start fishing right away, I need you to share this, like this, and all that good stuff for me. You might as well start seeing me messy now, because it's going to be messy, it's going to be nasty. We're getting ready to start our first fire down here, because anything that we pull out of here, we have to get burned and get rid of. We can't cut anything down that we don't get out of here and get rid of. And so what we'll be doing is we'll be doing about a 6 or 8 foot wide path, straight as we can get it through there. We'll be going around major trees and stuff, obviously, but we're going to get a pathway in there through to the water. And so what we'll do is, first we'll clear the path. Second, we will begin building the corduroy road, which I have the wood for here right now. All right, the corduroy road is just going to be logs laid out so we can stand and build the actual walkway, if you see what I mean. So we're going to need a corduroy road first to stand on to build the walkway after we clear the path. So we have power tools that are battery, and so I guess we have battery tools. And we're going to be plugging a hole through this area right through here, guys. And look at that, boy, the fun it's going to be. I'm going to be just basically bringing a gimbal and putting it up in the tree, which I'm getting ready to do now because my arm's getting tired and I got more to tell y'all about. But what we're getting ready to do is I'm going to set the phone up. I forgot my gimbal, but I'm going to set the phone up and we're going to do this. We're going to start this fire. And then we're going to come back over here and we're going to actually start laying a couple of the longer ones out into that area, and then we'll start cutting logs to go across. Now there's a lot of materials that I'm still going to need that I didn't bring with me today, like cross sections and nails to kind of put them together and keep them and hold them together. For now, we're just trying to lay it out today and get it started. All right, so if you don't, you can be critical if you want, but that's what's going on here. But we're glad to have you with us. I thought about doing this live, but I didn't bring the gimbal, and so we're just going to do a video on it and probably go ahead and upload this to y'all today, so y'all on the Model Railroad channel know what I've been doing, because I haven't been uploading many videos. Alice is over in Disney World, and that's my last 2 shorts have come from her. And that's because we've been busy dealing with the Department of Marine Resources as well as the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to get permitted to do all this stuff right here. We're getting ready to attack it now, getting ready to hang this up in the tree so you can see me. We're going to start the fire, and then we're going to get busy on, we're going to get dirty. Actually, we're going to get messy. See you in a sec. Alrighty, so we have moved all those logs from here slowly that way. We're standing on them and inching them that way. I wanted to show you an update here. Got a little fire over here to keep the bugs away. We've been at it about an hour and a half. I don't have the gimbal here, so I can't show this movement in action. I'll just have to give you updates. Be back in a sec. Alright, so I'm standing out here on my walkway in the water. See? We're gonna go straight through there. I had carved the path through there just to get back, but when we're doing the walkway, we're gonna go straight. What we'll be doing next is coming in and cutting this underbrush and that tree out and pursuing on through, straight through here. Thank you for joining me. Appreciate you. You definitely want to follow us if you have not already. I'm going to be building a walkway from right there where that starts way through there to the water, about another 100 feet, 150 feet. All right, everybody, we are done for today. We thank you for joining us. We got a little corduroy road going back there about 30 or 40 feet to help us get to the place where we need to start clearing more underbrush and cutting out a few trees. And we'll do that next time. We thank you for joining us. We'll see you then. Notice as we come up out of the hill, the oak trees. We got some pretty oaks. All right, here's the beginning of the path from the top of the hill. This is what it looks like from up here. This would be the edge of my backyard where Gracie's fence would be. And so you can see the path beginning through there. And we'll be back tomorrow to give you more.